Okay, I know I'm pretty late in the video, but this right here is the headlight bulb change for the Cadillac 2016 ATS. Yeah, she's pretty dirty right now. So basically, this is gonna be quick. It's intimidating at first, but this is what you're looking for: the back of the headlight. One of the things I've never seen in the videos that they have online, especially YouTube videos, is that they don't mention how this corner, this right here, this corner is the hardest to reach. And it's the hardest to reach because when you look, this is blocking it. If you see right here, it's at an angle. You can't really get to it. Like, this is in the way. You get what I'm saying? So the way you fix that is you get one of these bit extenders, and you shoot it through here to get to that hole right there. If you could see it. Okay, but basically this whole compartment right here covers the headlight. You are going to need a bit kit. Obviously, you're gonna need a bit kit. That's to take off the lining. These are the screws. These are the screws that were surrounded around the cover, back cover of the headlight. Yes, you do have to take the tire off to get to it and take off the lining. But right now we're gonna switch out the old one, the new one. Okay, let's do it. I kind of broke a little piece off of it, but it fits in flush. There's nothing wrong with this bulb. It's just the other one went out, and I switched it out for the 1000 kilowatt one with the blue light. This one is regular yellow, even though it has blue right here. These are the headlights you want to buy. I bought the ones that I bought, the newer ones, the ones that I bought right here. Okay, online, these could go for about $120 to $140. Okay, that's if you're lazy. That's if you're not looking. But if you look, you'll find for $20, for $40, just as good as the main one. You know, I don't think anything special of these, but these are the HID headlights. What happened to me was I went to ZZP Performance for my Cadillac, and I went and got one, and it was the wrong headlights. I must have gotten the headlights for the 2015 version, but this is not a 2015. This is a higher trim. This is the Cadillac ATS Performance, and this is how it looks. It has a motor in the headlight. Don't be intimidated by all of this. The thing that I'm going to show you, what holds up this headlight into that socket right there, it's basically this and 2 Phillips screws on the side that holds it up in there. Don't be intimidated. This is a job that you have to do in good lighting and not freak out. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this light, and then we're gonna test it to make sure it works before we put anything back. So we're gonna turn on the car, we're gonna check the bulb, we're gonna see how it lights up, and then when it lights up, you know, we'll turn off the car, and then we'll put everything back together. See, these are the blue ones I was saying. See, absolutely works. It is working. So now we're gonna put this back. All right, so it's situated on there, as you can see. It's screwed with these two Phillips right here on it. You know, this one is, yeah, don't pull this little thing too hard. I broke it, but everything is current. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this cap back on, cover it back up, put over without any screws, like easy. You see, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start putting in the screws, and then we're gonna be done. We're gonna put the lining back up, and then yeah, we should be done. Subscribe to my channel, anything related ATS. I have some pretty cool projects coming up for this car. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.